Hey guys, welcome back to XDA. Today we're going to talk about an application that helps you bypass your security lock screen on your device if you're in a specific environment or if you have a trusted device connected to your system. Let's check it out. So we're greeted right away with our lock screen. The actual main benefit of this application that we're going to review today is the ability to bypass our lock screen. So you noticed we didn't have that when I turned on my device. One of the reasons why we don't have that is because it's connected to my Moto 360. The application runs and it actually does require to have administrative access to your system. And what it does essentially is that once it recognizes the connection between it and a trusted device, it gives you the ability of bypassing the lock screen. So currently if I go to turn off my screen, turn it back on, won't have a lock screen. But the main thing we want to get into the application itself is, first and foremost, we want to make sure that you understand is, yes, Lollipop by default has this as a built-in feature. I am not by any means saying this is a feature that you need to add to your Nexus 6 or to any device that's running Lollipop. But this actually will run on anything 4.1 or higher. It does have some problems with the Note 4 TouchWiz mostly with the Samsung devices, so that's one of the reasons why I didn't demo it on the Note 4. So just kind of a caveat there. Once you have the application installed, there is a version of the application that's free, three device only version for XDA. I'll give you guys a link in the description below. You'll be able to download and install it, and only you'll be able to add actually 3 devices. I have one installed. You're able to add other devices such as Wi-Fi connections, Bluetooth connections, and you can also trigger it by NFC, of course, or you can just have it geolocated and to be able to actually turn it on based on your location. The other thing you want to have, actually, as far as the setup of what you have, you notice we still have the option of getting the full version. This isn't the full version. This is a 3-device only version for XDA. Start on boot. I do have it hiding so it doesn't actually persistent just sit here. If I don't, you're going to notice there's a lock here all the time. Not something I want to see all the time. Uninstalling the app, of course, requires you to remove the administrative functionality, but that's not really what we wanted to do. Well, actually go back one last time. Rating it, of course, please rate the application if you like it. And how to use it, it just gives you a quick walkthrough on how to use it. Again, you can add other devices, Wi-Fi's and so on. I'm using it with my Moto 360 because of the test. So currently right now, as I stated before, if we lock our screen, go back in here. So what I'm going to do here is turn off Bluetooth. That's the fastest way I can disconnect my Moto 360 from my device, because otherwise it'll take longer for it to boot up. And we'll go ahead and restart my device. You noticed it's asking me for my PIN. From what you guys saw with the hands-on, it's pretty simple. It really mimics a lot of the functionalities that are built into Lollipop. So yes, in a sense, I shouldn't have tested this actual application on an Nexus 6, but the current version of the application has issue with TouchWiz devices, so I couldn't test it on the Note 4 for you guys. So kind of a caveat there, but that's the reason why. Overall, it works pretty well. It mimics literally a lot of the aesthetics of how it looks like within Android Lollipop. So if you've ever had it or used the Lollipop device, when you pair up a new Bluetooth device, you'll see this prompt and it tells you exactly how to do the smart unlock option. Overall, it works pretty well. It's pretty consistent on the Nexus 6 and it works pretty quick. It disables the entire lock screen, so you don't actually fall back onto a swipe. You just unlock the device and it goes directly to your home screen. So keep that in mind. You don't actually have lock screen options if you ever had that before. The other thing I want to make sure that you guys are aware of, it actually does not really have that much requirement other than administrative access. It does actually work on 4.1 or later, so the compatibility list is big. Again, just not TouchWiz in the current version. There is a free 3-device version of this application within the thread here on XDA, and I'll give you guys a link directly to that. And that's thank you to the developer for providing us a copy for that. Otherwise, if you'd like to try the full version, 7-day free trial is available on the Google Play Store, and then you'd have to upgrade to Pro afterwards. But again, there's some, obviously, the three version with it, actually the 3-device version works pretty well. That's the one I was demoing for you guys here on my device. As usual, like and subscribe to this channel, like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you guys think. Is this something that you guys could use? I find it very functional because for me, I'm going to be adding my Bluetooth in my car. So as soon as I sit in my car and turn it on, I don't want to have to unlock my device every time I sit. It just directly unlocks it, and I can launch commands directly from my 360 and my device will automatically execute without requiring me to put a PIN. So simple, easy, quick. Like I said, as usual, like and subscribe to our channel, like and subscribe to my channel. Other than that, have a good day and I will see you next week.